Is the hide profile feature not working on the Telegram app? If your profile information is still visible, your privacy settings aren't being saved, or you can't hide your profile as expected. In this video, I will show you how to fix hide profile on Telegram app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Telegram. Then here in this page, you will go to this window of profile, so you will tap on your settings. After that, on settings, you will go to privacy and security. And then here in this window, you will move to profile photos. And there you can control your profile photo and you can hide it from everyone, and you can click nobody, and then we click here to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.